Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. How are you all? I hope you are well. Welcome back to my channel in this new video. Today's video, how to draw table in Microsoft Word document. So get started. At first open your Word document file. Firstly, then I show in this video I will show that draw table. Now going to the insert menu option. Now click on the table option. Now click on the draw a table. Then need your area. Now for select, then need from the raw. Then draw table. Then table is the column you need it. That is. Then type from the table. That is. Then I show draw table in Microsoft Word document is very easily. I hope to enjoy the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching my video.